Hi, I'm Nitika. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I can't believe I'm saying that, but I am saying that. So, welcome to my YouTube channel. I never wanted to do a house tour video because who am I? One second. I always felt like it's a little invasion of privacy for somebody who's not showing either their mountain home or their beach home, something like that. You know, if it's a home that you live in, you would live in the future. Good for us because we are moving out of this home. It's been almost 2 years we've been living here. We got married after we moved in here. So this was a completely empty home. This is our first home together. हमारा प्यारा पहला घर. Yes, I'll keep telling you guys as I show you the home. So, welcome. हाँ, मैं अंदर गई, मैं बाहर आई, मैंने दरवाज़ा खोला. This is how I thought I'll take this shot. So yeah, this is our home. As you enter, you see this one very cute corner. यहाँ पे ये नहीं होता है. Do yoga mats because we work out regularly, almost, or at least Hardik does. Let me introduce you to Honey. So Honey used to stay with me whenever I used to go for layovers. ये जो H&N की lights दिख रही हैं, this was a part of the setup when Hardik proposed to me. But तब तक हमारी शादी वैसे तय हो चुकी थी. I think that it is more sincere when a guy proposes after the wedding is already fixed and after, you know, everybody has spoken, the families have spoken, and everything is fixed. It's more sincere because he doesn't need to do that after it. And then we have these cute little duckies that I think we got these from Bali. These are really cute. These are either from IKEA or from Banjara. Hello, do you not know Banjara till now? अब मुझसे मिल ली हो तो पता चल जाएगा. This is a place where we keep keys and this, however, this is our engagement card. This was actually a video invite. This was digital, but we thought that it will be nice if we just got one laminated in case we lose the digital file. अगर इस पूरे सीक्वेंस में आपको कहीं भी जूते दिखे हैं तो वो हार्दिक के हैं, ठीक है? As you can see, 3 shots में 3 बार बाल चेंज हो चुके हैं. That's how nervous I am for this. I have pockets. I swear to God, I'm wearing this for the first time and I have pockets. Okay, I think God is giving me some signs. Let's start with the bar. Oh, where is that light? Yes. This is a little Santa Claus and his tree that I got from Daiso. These are also from Daiso and these are also from Daiso. Let me give you a closer look. Ta-da! This one's a diffuser. This was a gift. I also have a ukulele, but I don't really play. And the Polaroids here that you see, these are from the last party that we had in our home. These are our friends. By now you would have understood that we love having parties in this home and I love taking Polaroids. I actually have 2 Polaroids. This one was a gift at my wedding. This was my first Polaroid that I still have. It's the Intex Mini 8. I think I got it somewhere in 2016, 18 maybe. Yeah. We have a bar not just to keep all of this. We love drinking as well. These are some nice bottles that are on the top. This Saint Germain, this is my favorite. We also love collecting different kinds of glasses. So this is one collection, but then we have a very different separate collection in the kitchen. We have a lot of crockery because of which it is so difficult to move right now because we can't take everything with us. We might be able to take about 70 to 80 kgs of total stuff with us. So yeah, we're gonna leave a lot of this stuff. There is this one picture of me and Hardik. I love this picture. This is the perfect Polaroid and you can see why, right? And then we have this aircraft. Now, if any of you have not watched my introduction video, when I'm speaking right now, I have not even shot. But if you've not watched it, you would not know You might not know that I used to fly. I used to fly as a flight attendant. I used to fly as a flight attendant, cabin crew for 5 years, and my first airline was Indigo. So when I was leaving Indigo, I got this made, and this is really it's very precious. It's one of my most precious possessions because it also has the registration number of the first aircraft I flew on. I mean, worked on. So yeah, it's very close to my heart. This is also going in that 70 to 80 kg. Nevertheless, this is going. और अब यहाँ से अगर आप थोड़ा सा इधर देखोगे तो there is this glass. Hardik made this glass. So we had a lot of lights throughout the home. पूरे घर के अंदर fairy lights थी, and there were different kinds of lights, and there was this too much going on in the house, just like it should on Christmas, on a Christmas party. We had 3 Christmas trees, जिसमें से एक अभी भी लगा हुआ है. So this wall, however, was empty. There was a bar here. Hardik wanted to do something on this, and there was one fairy light that was left. So he just quickly he did, and he made this. Crazy. And the Christmas tree that I was talking about is this. It's got some fairy lights inside of it, so रात में ये ऐसे shine करता है. It's very glowy. It's very shimmery on its own. Now that we are in the living room, let's talk about the living room. Okay, let's start with the cloud couch. So these are the cloud couch. We got them custom made for this house. I really love these curtains behind these curtains, how they're beige and white. They really let the color of the cloud couch pop. Let's just open these. This again is very crucial area of the home. This is where we sit and we have all our meals, breakfast, dinner, lunch. Unless we're working, then we have our meals at our work tables. We sit here and the TV is here and the whole setup is here, and I'm also here once again. यहाँ पे एक तो ये है. And these are from Dharamkot, Dharamshala. And then we have this MI lamp. It's beautiful. It has some 1800 colors. You can adjust the intensity. You can connect it to your Echo, Alexa. You can also connect it to your phone. We have a lot of plants in the house. There's this one snake plant. Then we have two more snake plants in the house. We have a lot of plants outside in the balcony. We've invested a lot in plants when we came to this home in the first 6-7 months. Then we figured out that the balconies are in such a angle that we can't save a lot of plants. So we started getting plants that we knew would survive severe heat and pollution because we live in Gurgaon. These candle stands, we got these from an auction. Just kidding, we got these from Banjara. Then we have some candles and we have my Shin-chan. See? बहुत ही प्यारा है ये. I got this from Japan. We saw this somewhere in a store in Akihabara, and I immediately knew that I have to get him home. He's also coming with us. Yeah. This corner is very colorful and it's just like how I like my home to be. Oh, I forgot to talk about one thing. I'll reach for it. If we were in Singapore on a trip, we got some good news. So we wanted to celebrate, but it was too late at night and we could only get back to our hotel. There was nothing open. It was the bottle that we opened and we celebrated. Oh my god, it still smells like wine. Okay. I swear I washed it. Okay, let's now come to my workstation. This was supposed to be the dining area. This still is the dining area, but as I told you that we have all our meals at the sofa in front of the TV. So this place is just my workstation now. This lamp went quite viral on Instagram. Let me give you guys a closer look. This is how it looks. And we ordered from Banjara as well. And this table has in bits and pieces everything that I would need in a day. Fill this bottle and keep it here, and I try to complete it. I try to finish it. On most days, I don't finish it. सुबह सुबह हार्दिक आके यहाँ पे मेरे multivitamins रख देता है. The journals that I use daily. This one candle that is so precious that I have never used it. The Polaroid, because there are Polaroids everywhere in this home. An ordinary headphones. This is nothing great about it. Although there's something great about this stand. I had no idea that something like this even exists. But when I started working on this table, I used to complain a lot that this table has to be always clean because I keep these here and this is leather, it will get dirty. One day it just happened. This came in the mail. Turns out Hardik has ordered this because he was done with my cribbing, not done with being a good husband. This is a mushroom lamp from IKEA. I will link it somewhere here or in the description. I don't exactly know how YouTube works yet. Fun fact, this lamp does not work and IKEA has nothing to do with it. We went to IKEA in Japan, in Tokyo. We found this so pretty amongst the 47 other things we got from IKEA from there. Literally, we had to buy new bags in Japan. This does not work because the kind of bulbs that go into it, they're not sold in India. And another little figurine. I love little figurines and you'll see them all around in this house. There's a store outside Amrik Sukhdev. So we're going probably to Chandigarh. Stopped at Sukhdev for the parathas. And we came out and we saw this and I just had to get them home. So there's a lot in this house that's just been an impulsive purchase. And this clock is one of those. We got it from Chatuk Chak in Thailand. It's just too pretty. See? So we also have a guitar, but Hardik never played. Let's go to the kitchen now, where Hardik is making us coffee.
First, you want?
Yeah. Oh, you are best. You know my dress has pockets.
Oh, wow.
This is the same kitchen जहाँ पे एक साल पहले, पूरे एक साल पहले, today is 22nd of April. Last year on 8th of April, we made a video here. We were just cooking late at night, making a pizza and we were making some drinks and we just kept the phone on the same tripod. My phone is on right now. And we started shooting. और बाद में उस video को लेके I just chopped it and whatever I thought was, you know, apt, I did a little voiceover and I posted it, and that was the first video that went viral, from where I got my first brand deal. It was the first time I realized that, oh, you know, I can do this. And that video gave me the confidence to leave my job. So yeah, this is the same kitchen. This is the cold brew Hardik made me. He actually makes the best cold brews with very fruity flavors. This one is Ampanna. No, this is pineapple. This one is with raw presseries pineapple. And we use a French press for fresh brews. Kitchen का एक बहुत बड़ा part is the fridge and the magnets on it. Not the fridge. Okay, yes, the fridge. Okay, yeah. Actually, kitchen का एक बहुत बड़ा part is the fridge because everything is in it. We also have some Polaroids here because Polaroids हर जगह हैं. This is my baby brother. This is from very early times when we moved into this home. This picture is from our time in Pune. This is from La Favela. We went to Bali. And all these magnets, they're from the trips that we've taken so far together. These are obviously from Japan. We went to Guwahati for a friend's engagement, drove to Shillong. This is from Gili Tea. Gili Tea, where there's this one place where Muay Thai boxing hoti hai. Anybody can just go up, they'll put you in a dress and they'll put you in the ring against whoever has also volunteered. So it was crazy. These are from Riyadh. So this is a story for another time, but I was stuck in Riyadh for 4 days when I was flying with. That's trauma. So we'll not talk about that right now. अभी हम घर की वीडियो बना रहे हैं. Everything is just happy. So these are from Japan. This is from Dharamshala. This is from Thailand. This is from Lakshadweep. 1 second. I have one more. Yeah. This is from Cordelia. We got invited by Cordelia for a trip. Really wanted to get a nice souvenir from one of their shops, but वहाँ पे मुझे ये सबसे ज़्यादा पसंद आई, and this was not a magnet. This was just a little board that you can keep, and then we pasted a magnet इसके पीछे, and voila! It's a magnet. It's a fridge magnet now. The best one. This is the funkiest one. So whenever we are out, there are a lot of magnets wherever you go, but we're always on the lookout or for the funkiest or for the cutest magnets. This is this one. Let's fix it with Favicol. A lot of people I follow, good creators, okay? People I've been following for 3, 4, 5 years. They've been posting for Fevikwik, and I feel like whatever they say is true because I like them. I'm a part of their cult, but also because they say that Fevikwik can fix anything, and voila! And here it goes. It's fixed it in a way that it still wiggles. So love it. This also wiggles, by the way. ये निकल ना जाए बस अब. Ta-da! We have a lot of cute cups. So this is a beagle. I got it from Daiso again. I got it from Hong Kong. Then see, they're meant to be together. These are chai garam something sake cups वैसे तो. We got these from Japan. This is the most interesting glass I own. These were not glasses. These were vases. We got these from IKEA. We have a lot of beer glasses, which are, they're just beer glasses. Okay, yeah, some of those are bought, and some of those, there was this one shop in Pune. They had freshly brewed beer, and we used to get a bundle of stuff. We were a lot of people living together. They used to give us free glasses or free coasters. I forgot to show you my coasters. And now these are also my favorite. I mean, I really, really love them. These glasses and the vase glasses, they're coming with us. If you see, there's a bend here and it kind of flows from here. This piece of art. These are also from Japan. यार हम लोग जापान से इतनी ज़्यादा क्रॉकरी लेकर आए हैं ना भर के. Let me now show you the balconies where all the plants live. I was waiting कि थोड़ी शाम हो जाए ताकि it's bearable to step out. It's bearable to step out for 5 minutes, so we'll do this quick. This is the balcony. I've spent a lot of evenings here, just drinking coffee or drinking chai, and the views are good, even now. See the visibility? So this is the bedroom. I've shot a lot of videos around. The best videos are shot in this room, either in this room or in the kitchen. There's this one corner that's my favorite. I'll show you guys. So this is that corner that's my favorite. यहाँ से लाइट आती है, नेचुरल लाइट आती है दिन में बहुत अच्छी, और पीछे भी एक बहुत बड़ी विंडो है तो वहाँ से भी लाइट आती है. So this is the best place for shoot for me. This is my cute little dresser. I really want to shoot something nice here, but we're running out of time, like from in this house now. The reason I've not been able to shoot a lot of videos here because yeah, अच्छी light नहीं आती. But yeah, this is really cute. Let me give you a closer look. These two are really cute. They really go with the mirror here. Golden mirror. Then I also have a little one. You can do your makeup better. I don't know much about makeup. And then we have this huge long glass right here. And as you can see, I'm shooting with my phone. Yeah. Small but a very smart collection of perfumes here. Then we have a huge ass picture from our wedding. This is really pretty. I mean, look at that. Love my lehenga. I have not seen it even once after the day I got married, but this is just this was the prettiest. It was exactly what I wanted. So we have this. A lot of Polaroids again. We love Polaroids, so they are everywhere around the house. Ice cream museum in Singapore. These are from Hong Kong. All these are from Hong Kong, I think. These are from Japan as well. These are some letters from some brands, some handwritten letters from the brands I've worked with. This one is by Bhasad Company, Arpit and Divyansh. This is also by a friend who lives abroad but was here in India for a couple of weddings, and he was just visiting his home, and he got a couple of cards from somewhere in Goa. And these are handwritten messages by him, and he's spoken about all the time that he spent with us. So that's very sweet. We really got into keychains when we went to Japan. I got this from Japan. This is Dudu got this for Hardik. There is a video on my Instagram where we're planning to go somewhere, and on every step Hardik is like, "Oh yeah, Dudu से पूछता हूँ. अच्छा यहाँ जा रहे हैं तो यहाँ भी जा सकते हैं. Dudu से पूछता हूँ." That video was based on real incidents. We were actually planning to go. There was a friend's wedding in Shamli, and we were planning to go somewhere after that. There were a couple of days off. Dudu is Hardik's friend. He was coming from the US, and we thought we can go somewhere close, and then we thought कि यहाँ तक जा रहे हैं तो we can also take a flight, we can go to Goa, and then we're like, if we're going to Goa, we can also take a flight to Vietnam, no? So all of that actually happened in this household. But then eventually we ended up in Mussoorie, which was so good. It was the best time. We kind of got lost. I vlogged that whole trip, but I haven't had the chance. I haven't had. I'm just lazy. I'm just lazy. This keyring, Hardik won it in Japan, in Akihabara. We were playing those games, जिसमें वो claw games होती हैं, and then he got one. Yay! Like it's all Hardik who does. Anyway, I'm making this video. These are two tags from Vistara and Air India from the time when I was flying. This Polaroid we took right before we went to our respective homes to get married. So we took this one last Polaroid of our fingers, of our hands with our rings on it. This is Mistletoe Mischief, was the name of the drink that was in house on our Christmas party. So yeah. This is another part in the house. Like a lot of books here. This is a really cute lamp. It does not work though. इसके साथ जो wire थी वो टूट गई. Yeah, this one. This has a lot of fairy lights. And then these pictures. The idea to get white borders and black and white pictures in it came from Modern Family. You remember where there's this one episode जिसके end पे Haley ने pictures ली होती हैं कुछ, और उसकी एक exhibition में वो pictures लगी होती हैं. Those are all white and black pictures with white borders. We saw that and we thought, wow. This was exactly the time when we were setting this home and we were getting little pieces of everything. Every weekend we used to go out. या तो बंजारा जाते थे या फिर कीर्ति नगर जा रहे हैं फर्नीचर लेने, कुछ कर रहे हैं. उसी टाइम पे हम मॉडर्न फैमिली देख रहे थे and we came up with that idea. We thought, wow, it can just turn out to be really cool. We selected these 3 pictures. This is from पंचगनी. पंचगनी से आते हुए हम एक लेक पे रुके थे. वहाँ पे हमने एक राइड ली थी. And then it was just so pretty. It was just a flat land. और वहाँ पे एक बहुत बड़ी लेक थी और वहाँ पे छोटे hills थे. It was just too pretty. So pretty. It was my first birthday that we celebrated together. This one is from our wedding reception. Yeah. And this is from our home in Pune. I love this picture so much. ये व्लॉग अब मेरे काम आए ना आए, इस घर के लैंडलॉर्ड के काम बहुत आएगा कि देखो आप घर को इस तरह बना सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट टाइम व्हेन आई शूट आई विल मेक श्योर आई वॉश माई हेयर दैट डे, बिकॉज मैं ऐसे शूट के बीच में 4 बार हेयर स्टाइल चेंज कर चुकी हूँ एंड आई फील लाइक ऐसे. सो मे बी यू गाइज कैन टेल मी उन चारों में से कौन सा थोड़ा सा सही था. I mean, my hair is really oily right now and it's just a mess and it's also embarrassing to talk about it right now. अच्छा, तो इस ब्लॉग में मैंने बहुत बातें कर ली, घर की बहुत सारी चीज़ों के बारे में बातें कर ली. घर की बहुत सारी चीज़ों के बारे में अभी बातें नहीं की. मतलब अब मुझे रियलाइज़ हो रहा है कि when I was talking about the living room, for example, I forgot to mention about this couch, the blue throw on it. This was a very bland couch, so we thought we'll add some color to it. So मैंने यहाँ पे ये throw डाल दिया था. But yeah, I'm just giving an example कि बहुत सारी चीज़ें रह गई हैं, जैसे कि ये carpet. We got this carpet from Ambala. This is such a beautiful piece of carpet. I mean, it's just, and we got it at an unbelievable rate. Mummy got it actually, not us. For example, this table. This is custom made table. The asymmetry and the charm उसके नीचे वो लगाया हुआ है हमने. वैसे एक similar charm वहाँ भी है. These all charms are from our Christmas party that we had. वो वाली wall, see? These posters. We didn't speak about these posters and how I've been wanting to change them forever, but मैं change नहीं कर पाई हूँ. Everything in our home has a story. And I go crazy because this was the first home that we ever built. We've covered a lot here. We've entirely left the other room, which is a study. Yeah, I'm gonna miss this house. हमने क्रिसमस पार्टी पे इस पे बहुत सारे पत्ते नीचे से तोड़ के लगाए थे. हमने लोगों को बोला कि दो मिसलटो, bro. Oh my god, this is still here. Anyway, this was the YouTube video about, if it ever gets to get edited and posted. Otherwise ये बस जगह ही घेरेगी मेरी SSD में. But yeah, I will try, honestly try to, I don't know why I want to make YouTube videos. Okay, I'm doing perfectly okay without doing it. But I just feel like there's a lot of me that wants to get expressed. And there are a lot of people like me out there who are looking for acceptance, who are looking at other people in other YouTube videos and looking for exactly the way I behave, exactly the way I am, exactly the way I speak, I talk, I think, I convey. They're looking for exactly that because they're also like that and they're looking for familiarity. I'm 28 and yeah, I'm gonna start posting on YouTube this year. I really wish there are bigger houses, bigger tours, bigger and just a massive life that I can share with all of you. And वो नहीं भी हुई तो जो भी हुआ, I would love to share because I love sharing. I'm an elder sister. Cheers. पूरी वीडियो बनाने के बाद I figured कि मुझे बाल कैसे रखने चाहिए थे. Isn't it neat? It looks nice. It also doesn't, like, my hair are not popping out. I'm just a girl